Hi everyone and welcome back to my channel, Old Tech New Look. My name is Baz and I'm back with another video. So before I start my unboxing on Google Pixel 6a, just like to say thank you to everyone that's liked and subscribed my channel. So just a quick one before I unbox this video. So with this Google Pixel 6a, the phone itself, it is a bit of an anomaly, because the Google Pixel 6a, this one, is part of the 6 series, which come out in July 2022. But this new design, the Google Pixel design, where they have this like visor camera at the back, the 6, it was first initially the 6 and the 6 Pro that come out, and that was in October 2021. So almost a year later, 2022, they bring out the 6a, which is similar design of the 6 series, but it's almost like a special edition, a bit like Samsung where they do the S20, 21, 22 version FE, the fan edition. So yeah, this was a bit of a different step Google took somewhere randomly a year later, because in 2021 with the iPhones, they have 4 models: 13 mini, 13 Pro and 13 Pro Max. Similar to Samsung, they had the S21 FE, S21, S21 Plus and S21 Ultra. So with Google, they only had the 2, 6 and 6 Pro. So a year later they brought this one out. And now recently, obviously with the Pixel 8, 8 series coming out, they have the 3rd model as well. So I'm going to be unboxing this. So with this phone, first of all, it come out, as I said, 2022 in July time, so about a year ago. So let's begin with the unboxing. So around the outside, very simple logos, 3 sides. At the front, you've got a picture of the phone itself. So the packaging looks quite nice, quite elegant. And back you've got the basics. So what we have inside the box is, first, right at the top, we have the phone itself, which has a cover on top. Right, we'll open this first. I'll show you here. So it's like a paper cover on top. And what I like is it's literally showing you where each thing is. So USB-C underneath, fingerprint sensor, the on-off button, volume, which are here on the side, as well as the SIM tray. So in the box we have the phone and we have cables. So you've got a micro USB, the USB-C cable. There's an adapter here which goes from USB-C to memory stick, which is quite good. So you can plug in USB cable and either charge it, I suppose, from the computer itself. If you don't have USB-C input at the back of a computer, you could use the adapter. And also we have Google Tensor little box. So you have the key, the ejector tool, so you can take out the SIM card, and inside this also, open it up, so we have it instruction books. It's just basic introduction, safety, and there you have it. It's fairly neat, nicely looking when it's packed. So this will be my official first pill on a device on here, so that's it. Now the phone feels high quality. And the back is very shiny. The fingerprints mark up. So yeah, there we have it, the unboxing of the phone itself. If there's anything you want me to test out on there, please yeah, put it down in the comments and I will test it. Any particular games you want me to test, I'll test them all and see how it holds up, because this is just over a year old, this device, technically, when it first came out, and obviously with the Google Pixel 8 series coming out, it'd be interesting to see how this one holds up and if it's worth getting instead of investing in the new ones, because this is probably close to a third of the price now. And once again, thank you for watching. Take care and see you next time.